Hey girl, period. If you're new here, my name is Misa Laraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a post from me. In today's video, I will be working with HERMOSA Hair Company, so if you are interested, please keep watching. So jumping right into the video, Hermosa Hair sent me a 26-inch body wave wig. I don't remember all the details, but they will be linked in the description box. And right now I am just sectioning off the hair I'll be using to create the skunk stripe and pinning back the rest of it. Don't mind how dark it is in my room. I told you guys that I film at nighttime because my son is constantly in my room bothering me every time I do try to record. So I will be getting a backdrop, so don't worry about the brightness of this video. I tried to adjust it as much as I could. I am using the BW2 bleach with 40 volume developer, and this is the consistency of the bleach mix. It is kind of thick because I was running out of my developer. I started to apply the bleach to the hair I sectioned off, and I was super messy because the bleach was stinging my damn eyes and making me sneeze and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I only had one glove on because I ripped the other one, so I took that one off. I'm gonna just advise y'all to put 2 gloves on instead of 1 like me because it was burning. Burns my damn hands off so bad. But I let the bleach sit in the hair for about 45 minutes to an hour. I only processed the hair 1 time because I didn't know how the hair was gonna take to the bleach, so that's why I only did it once. I also bleached the knots off camera, washed it, blow dried the hair, as well as flat ironed it off camera because I don't want my videos to be like super long anymore. I just want to get straight to the point. And I know you guys get bored sometimes, so that's why I'm gonna just start doing my videos a little bit shorter. But yeah, all in all, this hair was really nice. I just wish the lace and the knots were a little bit thinner. I only had to go over the hair 1 time to get it straight, and the construction of the wig was nice as well. After I finished bleaching the hair, I'm going to start installing the wig. I did a glueless install this time, so if I missed anything, I will come back to talk to you guys. But this is all for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because half of y'all over here watching my videos not even subscribed. So I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Alright, girls, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Everything is linked in the description box below, as well as this wig and everything that I used. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.
Keep on feeling, but you can't break my broken heart.